Welcome to this CADMATIC Electrical tutorial. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to efficiently generate new electrical diagrams using templates. We'll begin by exploring the templates that includes both single-line and multi-line diagrams. For instance, our template features a switchboard labeled FWCP1, just one of the many components that appear across various project documents and sheets. We will expand this template project fourfold, however, each object within the generated project will have unique IDs, generated based on user-defined rules. To set this up, we go to the Database tool and designate this project as a template project using the clipboard functionality. In the Documents tab, we select the diagrams we want to include in our template project. Remember, you can also gather parts from multiple projects and edit them before adding them to your target project. This feature is designed to make reusing existing templates easy. Next, we decide whether to import this template into an existing project or create a new one. For this demonstration, we'll proceed with a new project. Now, let's continue by importing the templates to our new project and defining the import rules. Import Rule 1. The ID of PDB3 will remain unchanged, while all new devices within the cabinet will automatically receive new incremental IDs. For the FWCP1 switchboard level, we set a rule that only duplicated cabinets receive new unique IDs. With these settings configured, our project expands significantly, from 29 devices to 116. Likewise, the number of cables increases from 4 to 16. A preview window allows us to confirm everything, and if it all looks correct, we proceed with the import. At this point, all selected diagrams, including objects like cables and devices, are added to the project with newly generated IDs according to the defined rules. As you can see, all objects in the project, including cabinets, breakers, motors, and cables, now have unique identifiers in all the newly created documents. In both the single-line and multi-line diagrams, these updated identifiers are consistently applied across all interconnected documents. To finish, we'll create a block diagram showing all connections. Using the single-line diagram generator, we select a switchboard, and the program automatically generates a block diagram displaying all newly created cables, switchboards, and components. By using templates and automated tools like these, you can reduce manual input, minimize errors, and increase productivity. Thank you for watching.